the team.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Nexy, what do you say?
So you want me to no longer count down barrages? Don't count down anything.
Sometimes count them down when it's relying on a set piece to follow it up. Like if you're relying on Hundo DMing you from a certain spot, say I'm gonna be barraging them from here, doing it in 3, and then doing it is fine.
Yeah.
If it's part of the plan, if our plan is to barrage them and choke, you don't need to count it down because we're gonna be ready for it.
Yeah. Hanzo, Adu.
What? Hanzo.
Look at the map.
Hanzo, at your service.
Yeah, we shouldn't be losing anything to these guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just focus up. You gotta listen to your shot callers. You gotta have callouts. The more information, the better. The more accurate calls we can make.
What do you think, Nexy? I want to ask about Oasis University, where he got shattered and ran off in front of the riot.
We're playing a scrim right now. Now's not the time to ask that.
Oh,
It's very specific to the map we were just playing.
Try to keep echoing down as well. Don't need like 50 people saying the same target over and over. Like one's fine because you're just crowding the comms, and other people can't get relevant information.
Hey, we need to learn to call that in the game.
I know.
Far is it again?
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Push.
Let's see what they have first before we make a decision. Just don't no one overextend, please.
Do not go in front of my Rhine shield, ever. Alright.
5, 4, 3.
They have a Hanzo. They put a Sonic in the door.
Attackers incoming.
They know what they're running.
Doesn't matter, they're not gonna be able to switch it.
They are running the same
Ryan.
shit.
Yeah. Zen's top left. Brian's playing on the right.
Right side.
Yep. Pushing in.
Got Zen.
Brian's on high, nice. They're gonna res it. Play aggro, play aggro.
They have no friendly.
I'm running to the
I'm big stun.
Ryan,
Charge.
What?
I got Ryan.
They're low. Back up. We can.
How did that happen? Oh, never mind.
I don't know.
Speed back. Just out. We'll re-engage.
Fine.
They have no Ryan right now. He just respawned.
Coming back.
They're down a couple of things.
Nope, just Ryan.
Hanzo, no, sorry. I'm putting shield down. Don't peek choke.
He'll be back now.
I'll be back right now, yeah.
Let's peek left side this time.
Yeah, go left side. Don't get Chad or charge. Zen top.
They're on top as well.
I got moved back. Keep me up. They're all in high ground right now.
Zen one.
I have no shield. Back up. No peek. No shield. Hey, shield recharging. Ready? Start pushing in now.
Zarya's flanking.
Oh, we lost one. Zarya's flanking. Can I get heals?
I'm not gonna get
Zarya
out.
behind.
Yeah.
She has grabs on. They definitely have Hanzo.
We have the Lucio. We should be speeding into them. We shouldn't be playing passive. We just need to go. Pressure the fuck out of that Ryan. Just avoid taking as much poke as possible from
We
the
shouldn't
Hanzo.
go left. The Hanzo and the Zenyatta are on top. They're spamming into us from the left-hand side.
If we go right side, we're gonna get. It's easier to get the run charged.
I'm not in
Well,
speed.
they're killing people
They have
through the
shatter.
shield, dude.
No.
Oh, they have grab.
Go Hanzo. This is fine, dude.
We're dead. Alright, we have. I almost have shatter. We have.
Get out. Let's get out.
They did that so early. That's absolutely fine.
Alright, we have 2 minutes. We just need to play aggro. They're gonna have shatter. And shatter probably.
They have shatter
Squirtles.
and all their
We're
support.
getting close to our grab combo as well.
Yep. Alright, push in. Push on right. Push on right. Play aggro.
They sonared right.
Ready?
Zen's playing up with
Lead us
Fran.
in.
Get in front.
Go. I got some.
Big shatter.
Block.
Shattered.
Nice chance.
Nope.
Brick stun.
Ryan.
They trans. I forced that trans.
You ready, Honda?
No.
No. We forced that trans. Get out.
Get Violet out. Get
Get him out. Next fight,
Yeah, I'm
just
really
grab Dragon. We won't need cleave, they have no trans. They're gonna have Valk though. They just rallied.
I'm gonna rally us in and then we're gonna grab Dragon, okay?
We have to go right. We cannot go left.
Yep.
I'm not there yet. Wait up.
They have no trans.
Ryan's playing far up for some reason.
Yeah, he
They
just
don't
used
have
his
Dragon. They'll have Dragon again, but they won't have Grab. It'll be close.
Alright, let's go.
We
Alright, I'm
good?
gonna rally
Play aggro,
3, 2, 1 now.
60 seconds.
1 in it.
Wait for armor, wait for
Go.
armor.
I'm flanking left.
Zen's
Fat,
just playing in the back.
Leaving.
Leaving. They dragging the top of it. They're dead.
He hit
Hanzo
every
right.
fucking storm arrow on me.
Unlucky. I'm over through your curve.
Hanzo peeking
that guy.
boat.
Mercy one.
Zen,
Mercy one.
Zen half.
He hit me through my shield.
Grabbing. Nice. I'm taking high ground. I have shatter.
Lost.
I'm behind you.
Almost.
Stop the
Hanzo's
payload.
up here. Hanzo, Ryan,
If they still
Greg.
have
Their
Valkyrie.
team's up here, pretty much. Back up, back up. We don't need to take this fight. We don't need to take this
They have
fight.
Valkyrie and Grav. They don't have Hanzo anymore.
No, they don't. They're gonna have grab the.
They're pushing turret really hard. They're coming
Yeah,
onto
we
us
don't,
right
we don't
now.
need to take that fight yet.
We
don't
can
need
beat
to
if
take
they
that fight
grab. We can beat if they grab. They have no Hanzo.
They're gonna be close to Graviton again. Hanzo stop.
Hanzo on turret.
They have it.
yet. Yeah. Wait, first card. Okay. Get ready to push. Get ready to push shotgun. Pushing him.
I'm with you.
I'm half.
No
Pushing
shield,
it now.
no shield.
I got stunned.
I missed stun. I missed stun.
Back.
I'm on cart. I can't really help
Yeah,
you.
yeah. They're
You
just
should
push
go to
card a
cart. Go
little
to
bit.
cart.
Blocking. They're gonna grab us cart. Ryan dropped. There no projecting. No projecting. I
I'm
can stun.
stunned.
I'm ready.
I'm stunned. Are you helping?
They
Help me.
grab. They grab.
No. No ults. No ults. I'm pinned. I'm pinned.
Grab.
Ryan.
Got
You
him.
dead? I'm dead. I'm one. The Brigade's gonna kill me. They res Ryan.
Mercy one.
What the hell? How
They
did-
didn't use any ults.
Yeah, we did. We used
They
these.
did. They didn't. They didn't use any ults. I have shatters still.
No,
They're gonna
they
have.
use
They're gonna have
Valve.
their
No, they
shadows.
used Valve. They used Valve.
Okay. They use Valve. They're gonna have
They
both
have
angles.
both
Probably
shields.
Dragon right
They have Transy.
We need to pin the Ryan for the shatter.
now. Yeah.
I'm gonna trans
Use
grab
that
Hanzo.
yourself.
Speeding us.
No.
Oh, anything.
Big dead. Alright. Next fight.
They're gonna have shatter again.
He didn't get any cleave off that. No, he
He
didn't
had
get
shatter in
any
the fight before.
He had.
Oh, okay.
No, they have Shatter and Trans. That's it. They just use Rally.
Wave force projected out just by stemming the Reinhardt. The more pressure you put, the more likely you're gonna be.
You can combo Shatter.
Hanzo's high.
They're playing back now.
You get a
Yeah,
Shatter.
they all have armor.
You ready?
I'm low.
Watch out, you guys are with me.
Stunning 3, 2.
Oh, fuck.
His
The
barrier's
shield
broken.
destroyed.
Block shatter, blocked it. I have to pin out, I got Zarya.
Nice. Kill
Zarya
Zarya.
1, Zarya 1.
Rika, turn around,
Zarya. Break. Break dead. We can still push him,
Grabbing. Fat.
No rolls.
Cleaving. Zen, alright, he's getting out.
Speeding you.
Keep
I'll
throwing,
stay with
Bye.
Back up. Keep throwing, put 3 on it.
I'm gonna rally in
We're gonna
3.
get
Get on card. Everyone card. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, what do they use? They have
Trans.
Valve.
They used grab.
They use trans, they shatter too.
They used grab the previous fight, so they're gonna be.
They have Valve. That's it. All they have is Valve right now.
They might have rally.
Might have time.
No, they use Rally.
Got Hanzo.
Ryan Discord.
I got 3 out. Huge shatter. Cleave.
No rolls.
Zarya.
Wow.
Are you done?
Mercy's on
Zincon out left.
Mercy's on-
Zincon out left. Zincon
I
out
have a
left.
stun.
Hanzo, they res them. Speed.
Bye.
Real charge.
Mercy caught out.
Speeding
Yeah.
you.
She dead.
We get to your
Yeah, put 3 on it. We're not gonna get staggers.
You're by yourself right now.
Yeah, I know. They're not spawning yet. I just want to get a fire strike.
They lost to Moira from Mercy.
Yep. They're gonna have ults now.
They're gonna have Trans.
Yeah, they might be 70 on shatter.
There's under almost killed
They have
herself.
Trans. We'll drive Hanzo.
I'm half on shatter.
I think we dry push that fight. I think we dry push this.
let's try
Ryan, take
pushing.
it fast. We gotta take it fast then.
Ryan Discord.
Ryan
Ryan
half.
Discord.
Ryan 1.
Speeding us in.
Go. Take it up. Leaving.
Right one.
Friendly? Oh no.
We're one.
Bradley.
We're no chip.
Run dead.
I'm here.
We're even. Still no ult.
Speeding.
High fight.
Then Discord on left.
I can't push him. I'm backing up.
He's
I'm
right
backing up.
next.
Too much
He's
pressure.
off. He's off.
Someone left.
Hanzo.
Careful showing.
Then
I
one.
got him.
Hanzo right. Careful.
I have shatter.
Grabbing left. 3, 2, 1.
Cleave. Just more got out.
Yeah, they're in it.
Sorry,
Shatter,
Discord.
shatter.
Sorry, Discord.
No. No ults. Die quick. We have one more fight.
I have rally as well.
Team.
We have dragon. We
We're
have
gonna,
shatter.
I
We
think
beat.
we're gonna need to charge in.
They have Shatter.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it.
They
I
have
don't
shatter. No, we're gonna make it. We can make it.
Yeah, we're gonna be good.
Strike can
I'm
make
gonna
these,
rally now.
Did they
Yeah.
Hanzo? They still have Hanzo, right? No,
Maybe.
they use it.
Pushing. You got shatter.
They Shatter Trans. Watch our Shatter. Watch
I'm
Shatter.
touching.
There's 3, 2, 1, boom.
3 down. Huge.
Massive.
I got Hanzo. Point.
Ryan's hit. Ryan's
Someone
coming out,
that
Ryan's
yellow
coming out.
on me. Yeah,
Coming back as Hanzo.
that's on me.
I'm dead. You guys need to touch card.
Going. I'm respawning. I'm jumping too. No. I would.
Ryan jumps behind me, stuns. I jump in front of him after the stun goes down, and then I get shattered.
We needed to commit to the dry fight. That was the call before the fight started.
I think the opposite. We needed to not commit. We needed to actually use ults.
Yeah, they were down. We had the advantage.
Well, Hondo, if you grabbed right instead of left, I think you get 3 there. Because there
it was just more.
I caught people out. Brigitte was on the other side of the wall, and Ryan charged into the grab.
He charged out. I stunned him into it though. Is the thing.
He was gonna get caught out regardless. I'm fairly certain.
You can charge through grab if he does it before he's in it.
Hanzo.
Yeah, I think in the situation like that where we kill the Reinhardt, we actually do use ults.
If we have an advantage, and a significant advantage, especially if there's like 30 seconds left, we should definitely use ults because that's probably going to be last good team fight.
Yeah.
Just a thought for next time.
Sub 30 seconds, you should probably use ultimates unless like the card's really close.
All right. Whatever side they rotate to, we're gonna have to kind of rotate.
Yeah.
Like at them.
So they kept their Zen on high ground right here, so
they kept Zen and Hanzo on high ground.
Yeah. So what they were doing is if they cross in front of you right here, we bait them. Me and Renok will stand right here, and they have to walk into us, and you guys should be able to shoot the people behind the shield.
Either side too.
I mean, they're probably gonna be on those. They can quite.
If we get an advantage, we play aggro.
So it's simple, just shoot them while they're walking through forehead lull.
Yeah, but they did it to us in forehead lull. So what are you talking about right now?
We didn't have like.
We're
mirroring.
We have gold ult economy. This should be a good hold. We should at least get it to OT.
5, 4.
If they play their ults right, we should be fine.
1.
Don't plan high ground if you're not on there already. If you don't need to be on there either.
The only people that should be up there should be Ultra and Hanzo.
Yep. Okay. Put back.
They're running our same comp.
Yep. Pushing.
I got right.
Hanzo 1.
Just play yellow west. Break yellow west.
They're on right. Are they trying to rotate? No, they're still here.
Just play yellow west. Don't peek the corner. Don't peek the corner. That's peeking the corner.
Yep. We're dead. I'm coming back. I'm respawning in 5.
Oh my gosh. I'm contesting.
Yeah.
Hanzo in a storm.
Dying point
right now. We're probably not gonna be able to sucker out.
We got 1. Nice.
Ooh wee.
We're down 3.
No,
we're not making.
Take high ground. Take position.
Hanzo's gonna get late spawn, I think. Yeah.
No, I got good spawn. I got good spawn.
Cool. Sniped it. All right. Play aggro right here. We don't want to give them any more room than we can. Their Ryans might have shatter already. He's probably 60%. Back up. We don't need to take the fight here.
I'm just getting charged. I didn't get anything.
I fell.
Wait till the pass us through choke.
Oh, I fell down. Whoops.
Unlucky.
Okay, we fell. Don't take the fight up there.
Yeah. I am 70 on shatter. They're keeping 5 on. As soon as it gets to signpost, we're gonna push in.
Ryan, let's go.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Drop. Push in. Run out shatter. Watch it. Ryan pin me.
No one heals!
He's half. I'm dead.
Ryan dead.
You guys are even. No, you guys are down.
No, Hanzo killed me. Yeah, I'm playing the damage. Hanzo's behind.
We have time for one more fight. They're gonna have grab dragon.
Hanzo, fuck him up. He's out. Get the fuck out.
See me dodging, bro? He's dodging.
Okay.
They put a Sonic in the door. They have grab dragon, shatter.
They didn't shatter, yeah.
Go to high ground and drop on him.
Bring me in, did you go around again?
Left side.
I got taken that round.
I'm out of position.
We gotta drop.
Alright, I'm
dropping now. I have to. I'm gonna get stunned. Yep. Oh, we have trans.
Uh,
No. It's not worth it. Turk's right there.
Guys.
We just need the high ground. Doesn't really matter if they're not gonna play
Yeah,
it.
we need to stop doing that. It puts us totally out of position. Our Hanzo can get value from high ground without us being up there.
Yeah.
There's no reason for us to be there.
Alright. They use grab dragon. They're gonna have trans, beat, shatter. Okay, they just rally too.
Yeah, we have to spam them out. Spam them the fuck out. They used dragon, didn't they? Yeah, they did.
Yeah, they use grab dragon.
They have trans, I think he plays shatter first.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have no projected. I'm ready. Are you ready to summon ever?
Stunning now.
I got counter. Down. Watch for the counter shatter. Watch for
I
the
got
counter shatter.
pinned on the cart.
You guys shatter, you guys shatter.
Stay alive, Renok.
I'm trying to. I'm good. I got stunned.
I know you can grab.
You guys have portals.
Okay, go. Oh, I knew I shouldn't have done that.
I'll go Discord. Or Brigette's Discord. Zarya behind.
Sorry,
Sorry.
Sorry. I'm killing her.
Do you have bubble? Do you have bubble?
No. I'm getting in front of you.
I'm good. Nice. Forget Discord.
Just bridge.
They're coming back. They have shatter. Back up. Wait for a run.
No, I'm here.
Okay, we're good.
They're gonna stun Ryan. 3, 2, 1, stunning.
Please.
On theirs.
Play aggro. I got pinned.
Kill Ryan.
Ryan Discord.
He's stunned. He's one.
Ryan,
I'm just gonna rally to keep us
Play
up.
aggro. I
No, you
killed.
don't.
Yeah, you
Bridget one.
We got one.
Okay, we're good. I'm in front of you.
Keep pushing. We have speed. We can keep going.
Yeah. They have no storm.
Zarya one,
I have
Zarya
no shield.
Zarya one.
Sorry, I have. She's actually one hit. Punch her. Nice.
Can't get her.
No shield. Back.
Need us out?
No shield.
Okay, they have grabbed Hanzo again. I had to use trans, but I'm close again.
Just play split.
I'm gonna try and get some right clicks over here to go.
Don't give her a good grab.
Where are they?
They rallied in.
Are they going through right?
They're probably going through right.
They're
Or
main.
they're going through main. I have shatter. Did he use it? Yeah, he died early.
I got ulti.
No, he didn't shatter. He still hasn't shattered to the thing.
Yeah, he's there. There it is.
Small.
You have another push to do. We have to get out.
Yeah, you have to split. Get ready to contest it.
Should I just ult the cart?
You guys need to get ready to touch.
Yeah, you guys gotta touch like right now,
Get ready to
basically.
You said
I'm ulting Discord. I have
Shatter.
to this.
Touch.
I got.
Nice.
Then Discord.
Touch shatter. Oh, I
Got
got
it.
Nice chance. Pin. I'm pinning in. Cleave. Hanzo no storm.
Why are we so inconsistent? I want someone to answer me right now.
Because there's a lot of
We forget so much shit.
Yeah, we do. We need
Guys.
to I don't know.
These guys make so many mistakes. I can't even tell you.
We specifically called out not to get close because they have Grav and he got a 4-man dragon.
Yeah.
Come on.
And then I told you not to use fucking Hanzo ult. And I know that you were close to the cart, but you could have backed up. You know.